This 2026 Grand Design Influence 3003RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, TV, microwave, oven, refrigerator, smoke detector, leveling jacks, slide-out, air conditioning, and 83 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Influence 3003RL is 12,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.